6 Old Remedies for Ingrown Toenails. Onicoriptosis, better known as ingrown toenails, is a medical condition that occurs when the toenail becomes embedded in the skin of the toe. This is a common ailment, especially for people who don't wear comfortable shoes made from breathable and flexible materials. Although it can occur in the hands, most of the time it appears in the big toe of one or both feet. It's usually accompanied by redness and swelling in the region and should be treated as soon as possible to avoid further complications. While it doesn't usually pose any major health risks, it's important that you use some kind of remedy to minimize the risk of infection. Because we know that a lot of people don't know what to do about them, we want to share 6 old, homemade solutions for treating ingrown toenails. 1. Tea tree oil for ingrown toenails. Tea tree essential oil is a natural product that has become known as one of the best antibiotics and antifungals. Its use on the skin around the nails can help soothe irritation and redness in ingrown toenails. 2. Garlic. Garlic is an herb that, in addition to making your food taste wonderful, has been recognized as a great natural remedy for many diseases. Considering the fact that it's a great antibiotic, it fights inflammation, and is soothing, it's an excellent solution for ingrown toenails. 3. Bees honey. Honey is a natural product with antibiotic and antiviral properties that protect the skin against all types of infections. While it's not a solution for removing ingrown toenails, it's a good alternative to speed recovery. 4. Epsom Salts. Epsom salts are a popular treatment for anything that has to do with foot disorders. They contain anti-inflammatory, antifungal, and antibacterial properties that help alleviate this painful conditions. 5. Calendula Tincture. Calendula has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and antifungal properties that soothe the irritation and infection that results from ingrown toenails. 6. White vinegar and hydrogen peroxide. The combination of white vinegar and hydrogen peroxide gives you an antifungal and antibacterial treatment. Use this to reduce redness, pain, and the potential for infection. Is this condition still bothering you? If the problem persists and is increasingly painful with time, see your doctor. Sometimes the only solution for ingrown toenails is to surgically remove them. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.